Welcome to the advanced guide to TSB Bank Live Chat, where you can get instant help and support for all your banking needs. To start, go to the TSB Bank website and click on the Help and Support section, where you will find the live chat option. Once you have clicked on the live chat option, a new window will open and you will be asked to enter your name and a brief description of your query. This information will help the live chat agent to understand your issue and provide a more personalized response. When you are connected to a live chat agent, you can ask them any questions you have about your account, including balance inquiries, transaction history, and payment queries. The agent will respond to your questions in real time, providing you with the information you need to manage your account effectively. In addition to answering your questions, the live chat agent can also help you with a range of tasks, such as setting up new accounts, applying for loans and credit cards, and reporting lost or stolen cards. They can also provide you with information about TSB Bank products and services, including savings accounts, mortgages, and investments. To get the most out of the TSB Bank live chat, it is a good idea to have your account details and any relevant documents to hand. This will help the live chat agent to verify your identity and provide more accurate information about your account. It is also important to be clear and concise when asking your questions, as this will help the live chat agent to understand your issue and provide a more effective response. If you are unsure about anything, do not hesitate to ask for clarification or further information. Overall, the TSB Bank live chat is a quick and convenient way to get help and support for all your banking needs. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of the service and manage your account with confidence. Remember to always keep your account details and personal information secure, and never share them with anyone.